Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Amba Beauty Fashion. I hope you're fine, fit. So viewers, you are watching Sajal Ali Raza Mir Mayo ceremony. Couples wedding festive being. Sajal Ali and Raza Mir wedding festive have begun with a lavish Mayo ceremony. Pakistan's dashing showbiz personalities Sajal Ali and Raza Mir wedding festive have begun with a lavish Mayo ceremony. The couple looked stunning in traditional attires at the picture of the ceremony, making waves on social media. Sajal Ali, who had tears of joy in her eyes, rocked mustard sharara with a stunning shirt and heavily embellished dupatta, attracting massive praise from her admirers. Ahad was also in quite a happy mood, wearing his white kurta pajama. Pakistan's high South after actress and model Nimal Kaur Khan also shared these blissful moments on her Instagram page. So viewers, I hope you like my video and share my video. So please subscribe my channel and visit my channel. Thanks for watching viewers. Allah Hafiz.